These are all my scrunchies, so many, right? I never bought any scrunchies because I make them. Let me show you how I make a scrunchie. It's so easy, only takes 5 minutes. Let's get started. I will make a regular size scrunchie today. This is cut about 5 inches by 40 inches rectangle. The width will be about same as the scrunchie circumference and the length will be the volume. So smaller scrunchie for skinny width, bigger scrunchie for wider. And I think cute amount of volume is the fabric width times 8 to 10. Now we will sew this part, right side together. Change the plaster to satin stitch foot. Lose the upper thread tension and make stitch width wider. Then ready to sew. I forgot to mention the needle size. You must use the right side needle for the fabric all the time. I use the left one. Looks like this. Flip. Fold the first layer edges of the fabric into the middle, then match the second layer edges together. Put a pin through the seams. Start sewing. Make sure only the matching layer is being sewed. Do not sew the folded part inside. Fold the folded inside part to sew the matching side. Almost the end. Leave a few inches of unsewed fabric and you're done sewing. Pull from the hole. Now it's a big circle fabric tube. Elastic time. Wrap your wrist without pulling and add a few inches. I usually cut 6 to 8 inches. Use tweezers like this. Feed the tweezers while holding the elastic into the scrunchie. and do the same to the other side. Pull the elastic to tighten the knot. And cut the extras. Now we are going to close the hole by hand sew. Make a knot. We are going to sew rudder stitch. Put the needle through at the edge of the hole and put it same spot on the other side. Continue the same thing until the end. After you close the hole all the way, make an end knot. We don't want to show the knot outside of the scrunchie, so put the needle through that random spot inside of the scrunchie. And done! How was it? Could you make your own scrunchie? It's so easy and fun, right? I make this one from Silky Dresses Scraps, and you can buy Silky Fabric Scrunchie and more stuff from me. More items and prints available so you can match with your dress. My Etsy link is in the description, so please check the shop if you like this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button too. Let me know how it was in the comment. Also, tell me what kind of videos you want to see in the future. Thank you for watching. Bye.